Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to make a healthy drink that will help to cleanse your blood vessel, lower blood sugar, and it's also good for the heart, so stay tuned. This drink, I'll be making use of fresh plums. So I've already washed it, so I'm going to remove the seed. Plums are wonderful fruits which are good for blood pressure control. It is good for controlling blood pressure by getting rid of sodium, which you can remove through urine. When your blood pressure is lower, it can reduce the risk of getting stroke. Plum is also good for bone health. It will help to improve memory, regulate bowel movement. So when I'm done, I'll be adding the plum into the blender. So for this drink, I'll be making use of peach. If you don't have peach, you can blend your plums. I'll be making use of 2 peach, so I'm going to peel and cut the peach into smaller pieces. Make sure that you remove the seed. It contains some important nutrients like vitamin C, which will help the body to fight infection, A, which will help your immune system, and some other minerals like iron and zinc. Peach is also a good source of potassium, which your body uses to regulate your heart rate and blood pressure. Peach contains potassium, which will help to lower the blood pressure by getting rid of excess sodium. It will help to decrease the risk of stroke, reduce the chance of your body forming kidney stones. So when I'm done cutting, I'm going to add it into the blender. I'll be making use of lemon. So I'm going to squeeze to get the lemon juice. It will help to strengthen the blood vessels. So when I'm done, I'm going to cover the blender and blend until smooth. Blending. I'm going to strain to get the juice. You can decide to skip this method if you want to enjoy all the fiber content of this drink. But I want to strain, then I will dilute with little water. I'm going to be adding water bit by bit to avoid diluting the taste. When I'm done straining, the pulp from the juice, you can decide to add it to your oats porridge or yogurt. Then I'm going to test the drink and I will decide to add more water. Be careful while adding water to avoid diluting the taste, but add water according to your taste. So you can enjoy 1 cup of this drink. It is good for your bone health, memory. It will help to regulate your bowel movement, keep your sugar level in check. So it is good for the heart health. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.